In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add properties to Page in Notion. To get started, head over to your Notion page. Make sure you're inside the database where you want to create and edit the page, because properties are typically connected to pages that live inside a database. This is important since the options you see will depend on that database structure. Once you're there, click on New Page inside one of the rows in your database. This creates a fresh page entry directly within that database, which is exactly where you'll be able to manage and add properties. If you're organizing projects, tasks, client notes, or any other type of content, this is the page you'll customize. After adding the page, hover over it and click the option to open it in Side Peek. The Side Peek view is helpful because it lets you edit the page in a compact panel without fully leaving your database view. That makes it easier to stay oriented, especially if you're making quick updates. Next, type in the new page name. Give it a clear title that matches the purpose of the page, since this will help you find it later and keep your database organized. A good page title also makes your workspace easier to scan at a glance. Now look just below the page title. You'll see the option that says Add a Property. Click that to begin inserting extra fields into the page. Properties in Notion are useful because they let you store structured information like status, dates, tags, people, or other key details associated with the page. When the property options appear, click on the property you want to add. Choose the one that best fits the type of information you want to track. For example, some properties are better for text, while others are designed for selections, dates, or checkboxes. Picking the right property type helps keep your database clean and much more useful over time. Finally, if you go back to your database and click the plus icon at the top of your columns, the property menu will appear there as well. This gives you another way to work with properties directly from the database view. It's a useful shortcut when you want to expand your setup and make sure every page in the database can use the same structure. And that's how to add properties to a page in Notion. Once you start using properties consistently, your pages become much easier to sort, filter, and manage.